In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to vertically center text in Elementor. Whether you're designing a website for a client or working on your own personal project, centering text correctly can make your design look cleaner and more professional. Let's dive right in. First up, start by opening your Elementor editor and choosing the section where you want to center your text. Once you've decided on the section, click on the column where your text widget resides. You'll see the Options panel on the left side of your page open up with a slew of exciting customization options. Focus on making sure you're in the Layout section of the Options panel. This is where most of your layout adjustments will take place. After confirming that you're indeed in the Layout section, look for the option labeled Vertical Align. Currently, it might be set to top or default. That's fine, but we need to change it. Click on this option, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, select Middle. Voila! Your text should immediately snap to the center of the column vertically. This might seem like a small adjustment, but aligning your text in the middle can often give your design that polished, balanced look. Next, ensure your column is the correct height for the centering to be most effective. Check the height setting, located in the same Layout section. If it's set to default, your text may not stay centered if the content above or below changes height or size. To remedy this, you can explicitly set the height of the column. Try selecting either Min Height or Fit to Screen based on your design needs. Min Height allows you to set a custom minimum height, potentially offering more control over the design, while Fit to Screen ensures that your column always takes up the full height of the visible screen. Now, let's quickly test to ensure everything is working as expected. Click the preview icon and take a good look at your work on different devices. Responsive design is key in today's world, as users might visit your site from a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. Verify how the text appears across devices. It should remain centered just as you styled it in the editor. A quick tip: if you're finding that the text is still not centering after these adjustments, double-check that no additional padding or margin settings are interfering with your layout. Sometimes, previous changes can affect new styling tweaks, and it might be worth auditing your entire section to spot any unwelcome settings. And there you have it. With these steps, you've learned how to vertically center text within Elementor. This subtle enhancement can make a substantial difference in your overall design, ensuring both clarity and aesthetic appeal. Keep practicing these techniques, and your website designs will continue to improve. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.